So I was actually explaining you, I mean, when that got actually that how you can see your inventory in your system, quantity, value, and other references of your inventory. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to come to inventory and warehouse management module. You have this common area. So okay, let me explain the things. What are so on hand inventory is your the place where you see your inventory details. Okay, means from what is the batch, serial number, from whom you have received, what are the transaction, what is the impact in journal ledger, and what is the cost. So all those things you can see it in on an inventory. Once you click this, there will be one pop-up which will appear for you. Okay, so that is just because if you will not select anything, it will display all the transactions. But if you want to see particular a filter transaction, if you want to see, you can specify that filter and click on OK. So let's see, I don't specify any filter. So these are the for each and every item. Okay, these are the transactions and the quantity physical inventory available. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of other? Columns are there. So physical reserve. So if you have physical inventory, and if you want to issue this inventory to someone, so and if you have reserved this, you have marked that inventory to issue for particular person. Okay, that quantity will be displayed in the reserve, physical reserve. So that means you can easily identify how many quantities are there as a reserve. So what is available for you will be displayed there. Okay. Ordered in total means total. How many quantities are in the ordered in total means well, you have created a purchase order. Okay, and how many purchase order has been arrived actually. Okay, means you have done the confirmation of those products. So for that item. On order means you have selected in purchase order, but your purchase order is not confirmed or finalized. Okay, that will be shown here. Order is the same. If you have reserved any quantity in your sales order or somewhere, that will be displayed here. Okay. Now on the top, if you see, there is something called as quantity adjustments. So if you think right, you want to adjust the quantity of that particular line, you want to change the quantity or something, you can do it here. Okay. So basically you can do the adjustments related to the quantity of any product. Here in the transactions, you can see all the transactions, like how this 1998 has come. So all the transactions of this, you can see it here. Okay. So if you see how it has come, the quantity received through purchase order, it has come, what was the number, it will display on what date it has been received, for which warehouse, for which site, everything it will display. And you have other tabs also, like yesterday I was explaining. This is basic information about the transaction. And here if you have updated any packing clip, any other thing, that will come here, voucher number and all those things. Ledger tab will have your impact which has been made through this made on journal ledger through this transaction. So what has been debited, what has been credited, you can see it here. A reference tab will show, if it has come through purchase order, then who was the vendor, what is the name of that supplier, and all those things it will be shown here, and what was the unit price. So all those things you can see here. Others are, I mean, if you have any currency related data or anything else, you will see in here. Then you have financial dimension. Okay, financial dimension. So that if you have selected at that point of time in the transaction, you can see that thing also here. Physical dimensions, financial, I mean at the time of product receipt, if you have selected anything. Then you have inventory dimensions like site, warehouse, batch number, serial number, size, color, all those things you can see it here for each and every quantity. Okay. And on the top you have inventory button there. So if you want to see the physical voucher, so you have done the product receipt for this. So if you want to see what was the physical voucher posted for this, you can click on that and it will take you to the transactions, I mean where the vouchers are there. Okay. Then you have financial vouchers. So if you have posted the invoice for this, so for this invoice has not been done, so that means the financial voucher is not getting displayed here.